Okay, had some technical issues there. Sorry, my computer is getting old. So I do have been having more of those. I'm going to probably be in the market for getting a new one soon. Anyway, so as I ended with, we can deduce that this trait B is slender, going from what we already know from the um, table that we looked at, which I've covered up with the last recording. Anyway, so we do know that that is a slender trait and that only has one species. So we can put that species in here with the slender antennae. Right here, the H. armigira. And the other species that have the plumose antennae, we know are now broken up by that they're also nocturnal, which we already discussed, and that two of them have that change down here from the C to G at position 6. So since we know only two of those species with the plumose antennae have that additional change, and the third one doesn't have any other changes that are different, we can now place those on the phylogeny tree too. So we see that here we have that change um, from C to G, G to C, sorry. This was G to C, which I have right here. Position 6, G to C, and that was the new species and the Bombyx mori. And so now we can figure out, after placing all those, that this third species is the last one that doesn't have any differences, the Biston betularia. So B betularia can go here. Oh, that's a beautiful handwriting. So based on how I did this left side, in having that give you an idea of how to go about solving these phylogenies, I will let you try this side on your own. And it's kind of like a big logic puzzle, right? So you have to figure out where you're seeing the patterns and how things can be grouped on this phylogeny tree. So try to solve that on your own. But of course, if you have questions, please let me know via email, or if you would like to schedule office hours, excuse me, with me. I can try to attempt to answer your questions over email, but some of this stuff is a little bit difficult to ask, number one, from your perspective. I know it can be hard to ask these questions when you're writing out an email. So, and also can be hard for me to describe them over email too to help you solve them. So, probably meeting in person would be best. But if you don't have time for that, we'll try our best over email. And just keep in mind that I can meet with you outside of my office hours. So anytime that works for you and me, we can set up a Zoom meeting. And if you are still not able to meet because of your schedule restrictions, I will extend the due date for the worksheet for you so that you can get the help you need before it's due. So please just contact me about that via email as well. All right, good luck everyone, and I hope to hear from some of you with some questions if you have